are going to be reviewing Callie Slime Baby.
Hi guys, welcome to Adopt a Squishy. Today I am going to be reviewing this slime package. Her name is Callie's Slime Baby, and so I'm just going to be giving her a 100% honest review. I'm super excited for this package. I ordered this package like 3 or 4 days ago, and it came like super fast. The first thing I see is some candy. Then I see this note. It says, "Thank you, love, Callie Slime Baby." And it has a slime care sheet. Thank you so much for that. And then I see some borax, which is definitely a necessity. Both of this, I ordered 2 2-ounce slimes, and they came beautifully packaged in some tissue. The first one I ordered was this red velvet one. I do see a hair, which is kind of gross, but you know, that happens. And then the next one I ordered is this fishbowl type slime. This one, I'm going to start off with this one. This one is the red velvet. She said it was scented. I don't know. To me, it doesn't really smell like red velvet, but it does have a very nice texture. And this one was described as a fluffy butter slime. It is a tad bit sticky, but that's just to be expected because over time, slimes get sticky. This one has a really cool texture, and it looks almost exactly like the picture. I can already tell that this one inflated, so that's really cool. I give this slime a 5-star. This next slime is, I believe it's a fishbowl slime. Wow, that's really satisfying. Wow, I was expecting this one to be sticky, and it's like not sticky at all. This is really nice. This is really gross because I just lost my nail in the slime. This one already has an amazing texture. I don't think these are fishbowl beads, but they are like, I don't know. They're just like little square beads. And it has some large white foam beads. Okay, it is a tad bit sticky actually. But there's no bead fallout, which is really nice.
Hi guys, I'm Geneva's sister and also the other creator of Adopt a Squishy, and I'm here for another opinion for these slimes. So this is my first time touching them, so yeah, I'm kind of excited. I don't really get to feel other people's slimes that often. So this, does not smell like red velvet to me. It just has like a soap-ish scent to me, and the slime is pretty nice and fluffy, and it's really good and spreadable too. And the color is a bit-ish brown, but it's still pretty good. Okay, so this is the other one. It's a fishbowl slime, and it's blue, so it's kind of like a lake or something. I don't know, but it looks really nice. And looks like Jean got a little bit of one in it. So first, it's kind of a little pokey. It doesn't hurt, but you can like, it's like a bit pokey when you like touch it, but whatever. That's usually with fishbowl slimes. So yeah, the fishbowl beads are more like squares, so you would get like a little more poked by it, and there's actually no bead fallout, which is really good, and I really like it actually. It's like a little bit sticky, but I mean, no clear slime is perfect, you know? So yeah, I think it's like a really nice texture. Oh, and I think this packaging is really cute, and thanks for the little note and the candies. Thanks.
Now it's time for ASMR. This was my favorite slime of the bunch, and I give this shop 5 stars. Thanks for watching!